Hello, this is Nevis here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to create my Mizou chatbot. So I finally created an account, verified my email, and now here I am, and I'm going to build a chatbot for my course that I've created on TOwAI Online with AI course for teachers. Create the AI generated one. Okay, learning objectives for my students will be what I've written in my syllabus. Okay, choose a grade level. We're going to go with grade 12 and we'll get ideas. So there's a quiz they can do, role play, email writing. So let's generate a role play. Okay, so this is really good. It gives instructions here, what the student needs to be doing. So they need to simulate a meeting where a student must present an idea, respond to questions and engage in discussions. The goal is to practice professional language skills and build confidence. Sounds great. Okay, so start the chat. Okay, so that's good. I'm happy with that. Just preview it. Let's start the chat and see what happens. The AI name is BizMeBot. More options down here. We can generate welcome message. There it is there. Rules. Always keep responses within a 500 character limit. Provide instant feedback. Oh, that sounds pretty good. Upload a knowledge file if necessary, and there's the short description. I quite like this. Okay, so welcome to the meeting, but let's practice your bot. Sorry, welcome to the meeting simulation bot. Let's practice your business. Does it speak?
Welcome to the meeting simulation bot. Let's practice your business communication skills in a fun and engaging way. How about we start with you presenting a new idea related to foreign languages in a business context? Please share your concept and we'll discuss it.
Sounds really good. So now I'm going to talk and ask a question. So let me ask the question orally. Hello, I'd like to prepare an email for a late delivery. Can you explain how I go about writing a professional email? Send it. Can write it in. Yeah, that looks good. Great. And it's given me everything and I can listen to it as well.
Certainly, Neves. Here's a simple structure for a professional email regarding a late delivery. 1. Subject line. Clearly state the purpose, e.g., update on delivery status. 2. Greeting. Address the recipient politely, e.g., dear recipient's name. 3. Introduction. Briefly state the reason for your email.
Okay, so without going through all of that, I'm just going to ask another question rather than ask it to draft the email, because that would be a good idea for students. But now I'm going to ask it something else, another question. Let's see how it works. Good morning. I need to know how to refer to my senior officer in charge at the office. Can you help me create some ways of greetings for the morning and afternoon? Thank you. Let's send that, see what happens. Okay, great. And so this is a really good idea. It gives students the opportunity to actually practice their language. I would prefer them to actually speak it so then they can see if their spoken language gets interpreted correctly. And then the answers, they should listen to the answers. That way they can actually learn the pronunciation and perhaps listen to it a few times and repeat. And if there are some words that the pronunciation is not clear, perhaps the students can ask to explain the pronunciation. So I think this is a really, really good chatbot. I like it very much. So having said that, let's exit the chatbot. Let's save it first. There we go, we're saving it. You can also, I think, choose a different audio, but that was fine. Update, let's make it public, confirm. And there it is there. It looks great. I like that. So I'm going to now share it. So I'm going to get a link, share with teachers, copy, to share with my colleagues TOwAI online with AI course. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. This is Nevis signing off till next time. Thank you for listening.